2013 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, backup camera, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, power windows, heated steering wheel, compass, trip computer, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.